have been talking all the time about problems, and I think human beings will continue. It's part of our nature to complain and talk about problems. We will continue to do that. But many people have been saying something which the more you think about, the more you see it's true, that problems and opportunities are the two faces of the same coin. They have to go together. At one point in human history, people wanted to move easier and faster, so they decided that they can no longer walk. They have to tame, they have to use animals, horses, donkeys, buffaloes, whatever. So they found a solution for going further in an easier and comfortable way compared to walking. Then at one point, people decided that, well, we want to go not on land, we want to cross rivers, to cross waters and oceans. And they came up with the ships. Before that, they were small canoes, small boats, they came up with ships. At one point, people decided that the challenge we are facing is to go further and faster. And they came up with the airplanes. They came up with a solution. They decided they want to go even further, beyond planet Earth. So they came up with rockets, they came up with spaceships, and they continue to deal with the challenge of moving further and moving faster with coming up with solutions for transport. So today you have so many challenges that the old solutions are no longer going to work.
What does the youth need in the 21st century is integration of all the skills, both soft and hard skills. And whoever is multi-skilled will survive. What are the importances in Uganda? I'm a teacher, because education is mainly teachers. But the major, where we are building in Uganda, the first block is that in Uganda, we have the biggest population of the young ones. You have had 70% of our population is the what? Below 30. But also in the world, I think we are a silver medalist. We have the youngest population in the world. Either we are gold medalist or silver medalist. You can research. So that is the advantages of Uganda. We have the highest fertility rate.